let's just relive our childhood real quick and make some slime. Yes, my whole gallon of glue is already half empty. I threw a party and we all made slime while we were drunk, so what about it? And we are not going to be measuring today. I mean, did we ever when we were kids? We're just gonna do about yay much. This might be a fat ass slime. I don't know if that's too much, but y'all, I love having adult money because now I can just make unlimited supplies of slime. Like, it doesn't matter because it's my money, not my mom's anymore, because she would not want to buy me these obese gallons of glue. No, so it's fine. I don't know about y'all, but I was a fluffy slime girl through and through, so that's what we're gonna be doing. This is cheap Target shaving cream, and we're just gonna YOLO it. I don't know. I swear that's how much we used to put, like that much, but we're gonna mix now. But yeah, okay, this looks like marshmallow fluff. This is so satisfying. I don't even care. But no, I literally used to look up fluffy slime tutorial, no glue, no borax. Bitch, really? Got it in my hair. Okay, next we have to activate this hoe, but I think I have a pretty good, decent texture, but yeah, whatever. Activator, like we used to call it. So, I actually have borax. I made like a borax and water solution, so it was like half a cup of warm water and then a teaspoon of borax. Yeah, I'm rich now, y'all. I got borax. I don't even know what I used to use. I think you can use like contact solution too. I probably just like used my spit or something, but I think you do like a little bit of that. Don't want to activate it too much, guys. Oh, ASMR, slime ASMR. Oh yeah, still sticky, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Now I'm kneading it. Oh yeah, I gotta add color to it. This was a mistake. I added too much activator, guys. How do I save it? Tutorial on how to save fluffy slime. I don't know. Now for the food coloring, ignore my hands. I don't care. Which color do you think I'm gonna do? Obviously pink. Duh. About that much. I don't know. This is gel. I'm dumb. I just realized I should have added the color when I was mixing in all the stuff. My bad, guys. I'm not a slime expert, but it kind of looks cool like this anyway. But now my hands look like Nicki Minaj. Okay, here she is. It's not that bad. Obviously, I used to make them better back then. I've kind of lost my talent. But I can do the little swirl. I can do the little fluffy slime ASMR. You like that? Why is the pink like not showing up on camera? Yeah, there it is. This is what it looks like. Y'all, you should give her a name in the comments. What should we name it? Pink Friday? I don't know. All I know is that I'm gonna be playing with this all freaking day. Do kids still make slime nowadays? Because if they don't, that's kind of sad. Passing this one down to my future daughter. I don't care that I'm 20 years old making slime on TikTok, because I'm having fun, and hopefully y'all reminisced, because I know you guys had a slime phase like me. Okay, love you, bye.
Rating our rejected pigments and glitters. Blue sparkly pigment. Originally, I got this pigment thinking it would turn into an iridescent green, but in reality, it just turned a sparkly blue color. Still pretty though, 8 out of 10. Foil trees and snowflakes. I saw this online and thought it would be perfect for some Christmas themed slimes, but once I added it in, well, they just kind of crushed by the weight of the slime. This one had serious potential though. 4 out of 10. Neon orange pigment. This was advertised as a bright neon orange pigment, but once you add it into the slime, it's quite the opposite. It's still really pretty though and might work for some other slime concept. Give me some ideas in the comments. 7 out of 10. Milky Way glitter. I thought this glitter would be perfect for an ocean themed slime I was making, but once I added it in, it gave off more space vibes than anything. 7 out of 10. Let's pack our Snoops Icy Igloo slime together. This slime comes with a super squishy blue jelly slime base that smells just like blue raspberry slushy, which is one of my favorite scents. After we pack the base, we'll take some of our white clay and make our adorable igloo add-on and then dust that off with some iridescent glitter. Can't forget about the decoration bag with snow sprinkles and the cutest baby seal charm to top off this wintry slime. This has been one of y'all's favorites this winter season, and for good reason. The igloo add-on is so satisfying to squish, and the blue raspberry slushy scent is so nice. I'm also a huge fan of mini charms, so this baby seal pup is to die for. What slime do you want me to pack next? Let me know in the comments. Let's see what slime will protect the egg. We've got a jelly, cloud, and bingsu texture. Let me know in the comments which texture you think will work. First up is jelly texture with raw honeycomb. I think this might work because jelly is pretty bouncy, but let's see. Honestly, very surprised. Started out strong. Next is bingsu with peach crush. Bingsu is pretty solid, so I feel like this might crush the egg. Okay, I didn't expect it to bounce.
Wait a sec.
And it's good? Lastly, we got Cloud with Lucky Star Wish Fluff. I feel like this will cushion the slime very well. Okay, that drop did not look good. Let's look.
Okay.
What?
Okay, I'm honestly surprised all three slimes protected the egg. What texture should we test next? Let me know in the comments.
What happens if we add too much packing peanuts into slime? But we're gonna need way more than this.
So let's grab a giant bag of packing peanuts and take it up to the front.
I got the bag, let's put it in.
I'm gonna add as many packing peanuts as we can and fold them in. I think we need to do this a ton to get the texture we want just because they're so big. The slime was already perfect for bubble pops, but then, well, as you can see, the packing peanuts just started melting and dissolving. I had high hopes for this starting out and thought this would make an awesome, bubbly, crunchy texture, but I guess not. Honestly, kind of a bummer.
That didn't really work out. Let me know what weird item I should add to slime next. I'm going to try to make slime blindfolded again.
Choose your glue.
I'm gonna be bold. I'm gonna choose this one.
Choose your color.
So I'm gonna hope to choose red, green, yellow.
Choose your scent.
My instincts are going towards this corner one.
Butter or icy?
I feel like you're tricking me. I'm gonna go with...
Let's go to the charm room.
First, let's pour in the glue that we chose. That should be enough. Pour in the scent.
Huh?
Just a dot. Pour in just a little bit. And let's mix this up. I don't know how much snow powder I put in here, but the texture is still a bit clumpy, but let's dye it. Divide this into 3 sections. Hopefully it's green. Just a little bit. Grab all the colors. I hope that this gives Christmas season. Time to top it off with all the charms. Can I open my eyes?
Yep.
Oh, this is actually not bad. It's definitely not giving Christmas, it's giving summer. Okay, let's squish it.
Rating slime bubbles. First up is gingerbread bunnies. I have high hopes for this one. Nice, 8 out of 10. Peach Crush. This one looks a little too stiff, honestly. 4 out of 10. Baby Seal Pup. Let's see how this one goes. That's an instant 100 out of 10 for me. Sugar Plum Fairy Treats. The color's pretty, but I don't know about this one. Total fail, 2 out of 10.
Rating slimes based on how much I want to eat them.
Mary Pinkmas cookies. The elves up in the North Pole gobble these up, and we work with them to make slime, so I trust them that these are amazing. Solid 8 out of 10.
Holiday snack cake. Okay, these are literally the greatest thing ever, but they're always out of stock. But if I manage to get some, it's a 100 out of 10.
Christmas tree. The real thing I definitely would not eat, but this slime is pretty cute, and I feel like it would taste good, so let's say a 7 out of 10.
Peppermint Bark Crunch Bar. I would literally sell my entire spider collection just to acquire a little bite. Give me 14 of them right now. 9 out of 10.
Snoop's Icy Igloo. If you cringe at the thought of biting into ice, you're just not the alpha you think you are. 10 out of 10 for Sigmas.
Twisted Peppermint Mocha. I'm the first in line when this drink drops, so you know, this is a 9 out of 10 for me.
I was the reason why slime got banned from my school/gymnastics, so let's make some slime and talk about it. At this point in my life, I was doing gymnastics super seriously, so school and gym were in the exact same building. You did gymnastics downstairs and school upstairs, and if we weren't finishing our assignments or our coaches got mad at us, they would keep us in the gym and they wouldn't let us go do school upstairs. I want this to smell really good, so I'm going to use some of the discontinued Sol de Janeiro 39 lotion, but anyway, at this time, I got really into making slime, and I started to make all of the super fun different slimes, like jelly slime and the slime with the cubes and clear slime, just all of the slimes. One day I brought one of my fun slimes to school / practice, and everyone really loved it, and everyone was asking to touch it. So I decided that day I was gonna start a slime business. I literally forced my mom to take me to the store that night so I could buy all the supplies, and by the next day I was up and running. I was already taking orders, and my business was thriving. Since there were only like 15 of us doing this like school and gym program, literally every single person ordered slime from me multiple times. I was getting like 4 or 5 orders a day, and I would come home from practice, make all the slimes, and then bring them to practice / school the next morning. Problems started to occur when we would get breaks from practice and people would play with their slime during the breaks, and then the coaches started to get really mad at us, and then all the kids would play with it like during school when we were like supposed to be like doing our like homeschool work and stuff like that. There was a teacher that supervised us when we were doing our school, and some of the younger girls that were in elementary school were taught by like that teacher. I was in middle school at the time. I think I was like 7th grade, so I was doing like my school completely online, but the slime started to become such a distraction because no one was doing their schoolwork and we were just all playing with the slime. It's already getting messy. I have to roll up my sleeves. But basically the coaches and the teacher like came together and they were like, okay, we're gonna ban slime from school and practice. And they also told me that I had to shut down my slime business. And at this point, like I had made a decent amount of money, but I didn't listen to them and I kept running my slime business for a while. I continued to run my business underground. I had an Instagram where I would post all the new slimes and I would take orders in the bathroom. And then one day, one of my coaches found the Instagram account that I had, and I had to do conditioning, and I really did have to shut down my business after that. And I was so sad, and all my friends / customers, we were all upset about it, but no one ever brought slime on the premises ever again after that day.